Question: which one of the following is the site for active ribosomal RNA synthesis? Option number 1 nucleolus, 2 kinetochore, 3 centrosome, 4 chromatin. So here correct answer is 1 nucleolus. So nucleolus is present inside the nucleus of यूकैरियोटिक सेल और इस न्यूक्लियोलस में राइबोसोमल आरएनए का सिंथेसिस होता है. दैट्स व्हाई न्यूक्लियोलस इज द एक्टिव साइट फॉर द राइबोसोमल आरएनए सिंथेसिस. Non-membrane bound cell organelles found in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are option number 1 mitochondria, 2 lysosomes, 3 centrosomes, 4 ribosomes. Correct answer is 4 ribosomes. So mitochondria, it is double membrane bound organelle present in eukaryotic cells. Lysosomes, single membrane bound organelle present in animal cells only. Centrosomes, non-membrane bound organelle present in animal cell. Ribosomes, they are present both in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. In prokaryotic cells 70s ribosomes are present, whereas in eukaryotic cells 80s ribosomes are present. Choose the correct statements regarding cell organelles and their inclusions. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. So here correct answer is 4. Statement B, C and D are correct and other statements are wrong. So in statement A, what is given? The endomembrane system include Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. So this is wrong statement because endomembrane system includes Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes and vacuoles, not mitochondria. Then second statement, rough endoplasmic reticulum bears ribosomes on its surface. This is correct because endoplasmic reticulum consists of ribosomes on its surface and such endoplasmic reticulum is called as a rough endoplasmic reticulum. C statement, both mitochondria and plastids have circular DNA. This is correct. Then D, a network of microtubules, microfilaments and intermediate filaments present in the cytoplasm is called as a cytoskeleton. So this is also correct statement. So cytoskeleton क्या है? Network of filamentous proteinaceous structure consisting of microtubule, microfilaments, intermediate filaments और उसका function होता है motility, maintenance of shape and also it gives the mechanical support. Last statement क्या दिया है? Mitochondria is a single membrane bound organelle. This is wrong because mitochondria it is double membrane bound organelle. That's why B, C and D statement are correct. A and E are wrong.